Alright, welcome back everybody. Matt4486 here, blowoutcards.com. This is our recap video for our 2021 Bowman Chrome Random Division per box break number 1. So first up is box number 1. And we got Rodriguez base, Pedro Martinez base auto. Colmenares at a $4.99, that's a nice card. Perez at a $2.99. Langelier Shimmer. Emmanuel Rodriguez base auto. And Andres Jimenez variation. That was box 1. Box 2, we had Hernandez base. Colmenares base. Acosta base. Nolan Gorman Atomic at a 150. Christian Santana base auto. Rodriguez Shimmer. Jazz Chisholm rookie at a $4.99. A very nice Victor Acosta base auto. And Luis Robert purple at a $2.50. Again, that was box 2. Box 3. Rodriguez base, Clark Schmidt at a $4.99. JC Correa, excuse me, base auto. Vizcaíno at a $2.50. Tristan Casas at a $99, and Christopher Morel at a base auto. Excuse me. And box number 4. Pineda at a $2.50. Cheney Young Louis base auto Boston. Garcia, the Jose Garcia at a $2.99. A Nick Gonzalez at a $99 insert auto. Wilman Diaz base and Johnny Piron at a $99. That was box 4. Box 5. Josiah Gray at a $1.99. Para purple auto at a $2.50. A Polanco, they say it's yellow, but it looks orange to me, at a $75. Trent Deveaux, Bowman first base auto. Acosta base and Carlos Rodriguez base auto. So 3 autos in that one. And box number 6, Christian Hernandez. Colmenares. A Rosarina at a $2.99. Gregory Santos base auto. Blade Shimmer. Austin Martin at a $1.99. Jose Buto at a $4.99 auto. And Drew Romo at a $4.99. We got box 7 here. Austin Hayes at a $2.50. This was a nice one. 40-man futures auto of Austin Wells, an orange refractor, so it should be at a $25. Taglia Shimmer, Jordan Walker at a $2.50. Basabi base auto, Texas, and Logan Gilbert at a $2.99. Box number 8. Tristan Casas at a $2.99. Jordan Diaz base auto. Matthew Allen Shimmer. CJ Abrams at a $4.99. Aurel Vera base auto. And Wilman Diaz base. And box number 9. Casey Mize purple at a $2.50. Juan Fenn base auto. Brian Hayes, rookie at a $4.99 refractor. Jaeger Haynes at a $2.99. Zach Veen at a $99. And Luis Rodriguez base. That was 9. And box 10, we had a gold Kyle Lewis, Acosta base. Preciado, I don't know how you say it, but that's a nice auto. San Diego. Shimmer, baby. Jimenez at a 150 blue. Polanco out of 499 auto. Hancock out of 499. And a Christian Hernandez and Colmenares base. That was box 10. And box 11, well, box 11 brought some heat, and so we had Dalton Varshow at a 150 relic, Nunez at a 150, Bowman Diaz base, Alec Thomas at a 199, Mookie Betts yellow at a 75, Pedro Pineda base auto, and the hit of the day by far, Luis Rodriguez, and that is an orange Bowman first auto, and his autograph is pretty sweet. So, congrats to Jay Rubo on that one. Definitely a nice hit. And last box, box 12 coming up. All right, box 12, we Jose Abreu out of 499. Taylor Dollard base auto. Miguel Amaya out of 250. One per case Bowman Ascensions Kalenic rookie. A Dalton Jeffries rookie out of 499 auto. And Dane Dunning out of 250 rookie. And that is it for break number 1. Thank you guys again for joining and being a part of it. We got one more filling up right now, so grab your spots if you would like. And have a great rest of your day.